Hello everyone,
Hello.
and welcome back to New Improved Dog and Partridge, the place of overflying craft ales. If you haven't met him before, yes, there's lots of pictures holding a drink, but he didn't break any rules. It's the world famous, monkeypox free, Alan Partridge.
Oh, I don't know if I'm monkeypox free, you never know, do you? This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
He's good at that, isn't he? He's bad. Look at
Alright,
this.
look at this. This is our new bar. Just show everybody around, bro. We've got gin corner behind bro there in the corner.
Over there.
We've got Dancing Keith in the bottom display.
Over here, look at him. Hey.
Got the whiskey corner here. And as always along this bar, 3 own craft ales for you to enjoy. Well, for us to enjoy.
What's to enjoy? Tell you about. They're not going to enjoy it, are they?
We enjoy watching this, hopefully.
Well, you're doing a good job there, bro, ain't you?
It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright.
Yeah.
I mean, it might look like it's not changed that much, but trust me,
Blood, sweat and tears here.
it was ripped completely out.
Yeah,
And then sort of like rebuilt back in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely job that, bro.
thank you.
Eh? Right, let's drink some beer.
Let's do today. We're off over to Darkrock this week. We're doing the Darkrock week.
All of them?
All of them, bro.
All of them Darkrock?
All of them Darkrock.
Lovely, jubbly.
And we're going to do a 1-tin kit, we're going to do part grain, and we're going to do full grain.
Right, yeah.
So we've got a great spectrum there.
Lovely, where are we going to start?
Of course, we're going to start with the extract kit. That's the
That'll be
that one there.
Riwaka Pale Ale. This is one of Darkrock's session series. Comes in a little box like that, if you can see that there, folks. I don't know where to hold things now. It's all different in here, isn't it?
Yeah, bear with us while we get settled in. But...
Yeah, this is a delicious New Zealand style pale ale. Riwaka hops are highly demanded by brewers throughout the world. They provide bold, sweet citrus notes to this beer, accompanied by fresh aromas of passion fruit, grapefruit, lemon and tropical fruits.
I like the sound of that.
Sounds awesome, doesn't it?
Doesn't it indeed?
Oh, now then.
Right then, bro.
That's a slight improvement on one of the beers from the other video.
Yeah, I'll tell you about one of the beers from the other video in a bit. But, we'll get to that in a bit.
That's as clear as a bell. I don't know if you, I really don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is crystal bright, isn't
It's,
it?
isn't it? It's beautiful.
Oh, right then.
I'm getting a good nose from it.
Let's have a whiff.
My nose is lacking a bit of sense to this today.
Oh yeah, give it a swirl. Oh yes.
Oh, that's better.
Oh yes.
Right,
That's
zestiness.
quite zesty and passion fruity, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right,
Go on.
going in.
Cheers.
Dear Lord.
You know, for a 1-tin kit, that's marvellous.
For one tin kit, that's spectacular.
If those haven't tried these 1-tin kits before, you've got to try it, really. It's because there's passion fruit, there's stone fruit, there's zestiness, there's dryness, all well balanced. Probably you can tell it's not a full grain kit, but because of the mouthful feel. But
yes, but everything else is there, isn't it? I mean, it's not like you say. It's light, it's appetising, it's refreshing, it's stone fruit flavours. Cracking beer.
Now with these 1-tin kits, you do get some dry hops to add. If you use their enhancer, which I did, you get the pure brew in there, and you get a knot boost as well. So you get quite a lot of additives to add in there. But I think it really works really well.
Fantastic. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That's a good start, isn't it? Eh?
Well done, Rob.
Oh, this is weird. I keep having to do this. Look. Right. That's that one.
That's that one done, bro.
One there.
We're staying with Darkrock, like I said.
2 to go. Are we going on to the Summer Haze?
No, we'll do the Southern Hemisbeer.
All my props moved as well, look. So this is part grain.
This is a part grain.
Comes in a box this size. This is a Southern Hemisbeer. Lovely.
So if those haven't tried part grain before, again you get the malt extract to dissolve like you normally do, but you get some bag of grains you mash for half an hour in a muslin bag.
Okay, yeah, mashing, sparging, boiling, fermenting, boiling. How to brew is all on there.
It's all on there, all the instructions. Darkrock instructions are pretty good. They do come with concise, easy to follow instructions.
Tells you what's included, the equipment you need, and it is a limited edition, a delicious, easy drinking New Zealand pale ale that everyone will enjoy. A unique blend of the finest New Zealand Pacific Jade, Motika and Riwaka, or we just add a Riwaka, so it should be not dissimilar to that. Yeah. And Nelson Sauvin hops provide a delightful flavour and aroma. Blah de blah de blah. Right. Okay, put that down there. Oh, right, yeah then. Oh, quite as clear as the last one, but it's still clearer.
But we're getting more of a nose from this one, for me.
A little bit more, yeah. You
Yeah.
can just tell there's a little
bit
bit more
hops,
to it, isn't
a
there?
bit
Yeah.
more hops going on, etc.
Oh yeah. I should go in.
So we're going.
Cheers.
Cheers. If the next one goes this way, it's going to be a good night at the dinner bank.
This could get messy.
Oh.
It's cracking beer.
It's cracking beer. There's a little bit more going on. There's a little bit more dryness. There's a slight, I don't know, at the back of the tongue, a slight dry tang.
Yeah, that's a little, yeah, but yeah, not
Yeah.
displeasant.
Not displeasant,
Not
no.
displeasant. It's very nice, but I'm just trying to think of. It's like the last beer, but a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically. Again, light, crisp. All the things from the last one, the passion fruit, the stone fruit, lovely.
Yeah. Are you getting a little bit drier? Dryness is really coming through on the back of the tongue. Are you getting a little bit more of a mouthful feel with that?
Definitely. Yeah. Definitely. I think so there. Yeah. Not gonna lie. Yeah. It's 10 out of 10 again.
10 out of 10. Well done, Darkrock. It's
Oh,
going well.
well, it's going well, isn't it? It's going well. Oh. Right then.
Don't forget, we're putting suppliers across here as well. So if you want to get on our suppliers board, send us some merch.
We've got Darkrock up here, we've got Maltmere up here, we've got Muntons up here already. Yeah, cracking. If you want to send us any suppliers, want to send us some Legos, we'll stick them up there. Right then.
Right, before we move on, bro, talking to Mark Miller, last week we did prop Cornish.
We did.
And we had a disagreement about the bass.
We did.
Yeah, I've put the bass on the 12 beer kits of Partridge All Grain and not put the prop Cornish on.
And there's a reason for this.
There's a reason, but I think it's partly my fault.
Yeah.
Because the beer didn't clear, I think it had something to do with the effect to add on us.
All more to spare you.
And my neighbour. Because we drunk some on the Friday night, on the first night watching the darts. Friday, neither of us was really fit for work.
No.
And we do think that it carried on either fermenting in the fermenter because it's still got yeast in it, or fermented in our bellies. But we was really quite drunk. If I'm honest.
I'd only had a pint of it, but I really know I'd had it. And obviously it had aged a bit more, hadn't it?
So the more drunk, the stronger it got. Yeah. Again, I think it's my mistake because it should have been clear.
Should have been clear.
But yeah, by heck, I had to.
It was rebrewing itself.
Rebrewing itself in the keg, or rebrewing itself in the self. If any of you had an experience like that, please let me know. I'd like to.
So, as a consequence, we thought it was slightly dangerous to drink.
Very much so. In fact, I didn't want to feel that way again in the morning. It was that kind of strong.
Yeah.
So
we had to say goodbye to that one, unfortunately.
Yeah, we did indeed. And I like a beer like the next man. And I don't suffer a lot with hangovers, and I don't get up drunk very often. Hey. Anyway, moving on.
Swiftly on. Right then, still with Darkrock, obviously. Summer Haze. This is a bigger box. We're moving up the boxes up.
Yep.
All grain kit.
All grain. So you get a big bag of grain to mash in your one boil system. Easy to follow instructions again.
Yeah,
I will be doing another brew day video, a Darkrock Bathrooms video, showing you what we do. But basically, it's enjoyable. Takes about 3 to 4 hours to do, and you're supposed to get a bit better beer from an all grain.
Well, it's supposed to be akin to actually as you know most craft and brewery beers do it. Oh, hello.
Sorry.
Wasn't me, sir. Bit of a squeak on the bar there. Right then, this is a very easy drinking New England style IPA. For those lazy summer evenings, this beer is full of tropical and citrus flavours, provided by a unique blend of the freshest mosaic, citra, cashmere.
All right.
And galaxy hops.
Cashmere, galaxy.
Right on.
It's got it all going on then, hasn't it?
Now then, this isn't clear.
Well, this is Summer Haze.
It's haze. So it's supposed to be hazy.
It's supposed to be hazy. You don't get no findings.
See what it did there?
You don't get no findings with this. So, like, once you've brewed, you add some dry hops, but you don't add no findings. Hence.
Yeah, and I know I said it's hazy, but it's still not as soupy as that one we were drinking the other week. So you know.
Hopefully, this ain't gonna be.
Whoa! Holy moly!
There's a good punch there. We've gone from I can just smell them a bit more and bang, bang.
and for me, the citra is coming through that quite powerfully, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, I know there's 4 hops in that, but the Citra one there is really
peachiness and the stone fruitiness. You can almost taste it before you drink it.
Oh, it'll be good.
Cheers, bro. Cheers, bro. Shut the front door.
Why's it open?
Oh.
I can't go above 10, can I?
If you could, you could.
Oh, you would. That is delicious.
Kind of knocks the other two into the spotlight.
It does, because no disrespect to the beers, if I'd have walked into the pub and I even got to serve that first one, I'd be a very happy man. But that, I'd be ecstatic.
It's thirst quenching, but leaves a dryness at the same time.
Yes.
The mouthful feel, the smoothness combined, just so well balanced.
I'm getting also that citrusy, fruity punchiness on the tongue, isn't it?
It all rolled across the tongue they're like angels just dancing, just tickling them.
The only problem with that is, we saying about the dryness, is all I want to do is take a big another slurp of it.
Yeah.
How strong is this?
Do you know? I don't know if it says on the box.
I don't think it said on the box either. I'm just having a quick look there. 40 pints? No, we've got no. It doesn't say what ABV that is. But I'm going to guess it's not that weak.
No, I would have said it's going to be 5.5. I would have said if you probably look at the box a bit harder, you might find it on the corner there.
That's right, I'm having that. Right, let's have a look. Right there.
You say on the back? No. Side? Other side? What about the way the ingredients are?
No.
Well, that's a down.
There you go.
There you go. I should have looked at the website before I put the.
We'll get back to you with that one, but it's well, I'm going in. It's 10 out of 10 for me.
Oh, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. It goes on it goes straight on the whole grain beer kits.
We've got it if it's and
I think it's going to be near the top. What I've done also
Yeah.
is I've marked these two here: the Worcester Hop Shop Life and Death,
Yeah.
Malt Miller Soundwave,
Yeah.
and Brew Days Neon Raptor Easy Smash
Yeah.
as my top 3 favourites so
And
far.
I think I'd probably go with you there as well.
But all these beers are good beers.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go with you there. I did like the Strata Delight by Dennis King as well.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all good beers.
All good beers.
They all have to be 10 out of 10s to get on here, so, you know.
This is definitely 11 out of 10.
It's going on there.
It's going on there, probably somewhere near the top.
It's got to go near the top for me. I'll tell you what, bro.
What?
For the first review in the new bar,
This is a 9, 10 out of 10.
It's a triple tenner. 3 of them. I've got to stop drinking now.
Yeah. Tell everybody what's coming on next time instead, bro.
I don't have to pee around now because it's over there, I can see it. Darkrock Summer Promise.
Yes, it's another one that Darkrock sent. It's part of their summer limited edition series.
Is this a full grain or part grain?
I think that one's a full grain.
Okie dokie. We've got a GEB, Get a Brewed.
Yes.
Napier.
Yeah, now they've been developing some new malt extract kits. They say they've been developing them for quite a long time. So I'm interested to see what that's going to be like because they use the same malt extract and just add different bitterness.
Okay. Let's see what that was like. And Cross My Loof.
Yes.
Anzus. Am I pronouncing that right?
And Clue, because I don't know.
ANZUS. Anzus, I think. Anyway. Any info on that one?
Say again?
Any info on that one?
That's a full grain kit from Cross My Loof.
Oh, there you go.
They're all full grain from Cross My Loof, so yeah. Well,
What?
I don't know. I think it's an IPA, and I think it's about 5.5.
Right, yeah. More info on the next day.
Hopefully, I'll research it a bit better this time.
Right,
I've been a little bit busy rebuilding.
Rebuilding the bar. Let us know what you think.
Anyway, because we've got a very important bank holiday coming up to our good gracious Queen. So I hope you're all going to be raising a glass
Yeah.
and saying
A glass of homebrew, hopefully.
Yeah, a glass of homebrew to our luscious Queen and Jubilee.
Yeah, I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah. So until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
To the Queen!
To the Queen!